have to tell you something. I miss you. You know why? Crazy for you. And in a very, very not creepy standard, I watch you when you sleep and eat in the bathroom, that sort of thing, but not at all insane. I really, really love you. Mwah! So, mwah, mwah. You love me back. So I'm wondering, I'm a little confused as to why haven't you returned my 5,000 emails, my 263 voicemails that I left yesterday? I don't understand why we can't be together. I love you. That should be enough, isn't it? It's not enough for you? Well, I've got a plan B, but I can't tell you about that. It involves ether and possibly a BB gun. I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to give away too much, but I just want to say this. We should be together. If you don't like this, tough! But seriously, I, what am I going to do? Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm afraid. But I have to say, you have never looked better at all. I mean, really, look at that. Oh, yes, that's what I love about you. Oh dear. Is that someone else walking in with you? Oh no, that will not do. Not at all. You need to step away from that. No, no, I must be home. I'm an angel. I didn't do anything. There is no light sticking out of it. Love me.